Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We are releasing various videos of products sold by India Enterprises like fume extraction system, rework system and other products. So in the current video, we are going to introduce a single channel fume extraction system. Model is Fume Pro 101. It's a single channel fume extraction system which is used to absorb noxious fumes produced during the soldering and other application. So you will get this Fume Pro 101 extraction system in the packing you are watching on your screen, and one extraction arm will be also supplied along with this equipment. So let's start and see what contents are supplied along with this packing. So let's open this box. Let's place aside this extraction arm, and let's open this box first. So an operating manual is also supplied along with this equipment. Let's take it out. Few pre-filters are part of supply, which you can change later after the filter is get dirty or it is choked. This is the AC power cord which is connected to the main unit, and on the other side it is connected to the electrical power supply. This is the RJ11 type connection wire which can be connected to the remote control unit. This is the remote control unit which is used to control the speed of turbine, and an on-off switch is also provided on top of this remote control unit along with a knob which can be used to control the airflow. And then we will take out the main extraction unit, and this is the main extraction unit Fume Pro 101, a single channel fume extraction system. It's a very beautiful equipment as you can watch on your screen. Now we are sharing few tips with you, and before operating this unit you need to follow these tips. First of all, a foam is placed under this the main HEPA filter to avoid the to avoid the damage during transportation. So let's see where that foam is placed. Let's open the top cover, take out the entire filter assembly, and now you can see the foam is placed beneath this HEPA filter, which is affixed with the help of a adhesive tape. We need to just take out this foam sheet, and then we will insert the entire filter enclosure inside the unit. And in the next step we will explain the various type of filter used in this fume extraction system. So let's take out the filter assembly once again. We have removed the gasket, and the entire filter enclosure has been taken out. See, on top of it you can watch a metal plate. This metal plate is necessary to prolong the life of filters and avoid any damage to the filters. Please see, top is the pre-filter. You can see that one side of pre-filter is rough and other side is smooth. So rough side should be on top. And next is the middle filter. See, this middle filter is used to absorb a fine particles. Then we can see the main HEPA filter. It's a high efficiency filter which is used to absorb extremely fine particles and other harmful gases. So these are the three filters which are used inside this fume extraction system. And after the filtration process is complete, the almost pure air is released inside the environment. So let's place the filters in the reverse order. So let's place the filter back in the reverse order: HEPA filter, then middle filter, then pre-filter, and then the metal plate. And then insert this entire filter, then place the gasket. So gasket should be properly fixed on this entire filter assembly to avoid any leakage. So please make sure that the gasket is properly fixed. Then insert it inside the main unit, and this entire filter enclosure should be placed properly, and then fix the top cover and clamp it from all four sides. Now we will fix the extraction arm on top of this hose absorber. Attach this extraction arm. So let's attach this extraction arm on top of the extraction unit, and we can see that this extraction arm is extremely flexible, and it can be set at desired angle and at desired position, and it can cover one stage for filtration. One on-off knob which is also known as airflow controller is also provided, uh, which can use to switch on or off this extraction arm by rotating this knob. Then this burn proof uh, rubber hood is fixed on top of this extraction arm, so it can cover if one stage. So now this extraction unit is ready to use. Now we will connect this remote control unit with the help of a wire supplied along with this unit, and on the other side it is connected on the side of this extraction arm unit. See how it is connected. Then we will connect this 230-volt AC power cord, and on the other side it is connected to the AC power source. Now the unit is ready to use, and now we will switch on the unit, and you can watch the display also. Display is also switched on, and we can switch on the unit now from this remote control as well. Now we can switch it off. You can see it is also operable through this remote control unit, and now we will switch it on, and now we will rotate the knob clockwise to increase the airflow, and vice versa, if it is rotated anti-clockwise, the airflow is decreased, as you can monitor on your screen also that airflow is decreasing. The minimum airflow is 1, and maximum is at 10. So in between you can set the desired airflow according to your application. Now we can see that the extraction system is on, and we will check this suction power. So we will just place a form sheet, and we can see that the suction is holding this form sheet, so it's very effective suction power it's having. So now we will remove it. So this fume extraction system is very useful for fumes were produced during the soldering process and other application as well. So you are requested to buy this fume extraction system from us, and it's mandatory for complying to the ISO requirements also. So it releases the purified air back into the room, and without disturbing the AC environment. So you are welcome to send your business inquiries to us. We will immediately get back to you with the necessary details and price. So hope you have liked this video, and now the concept is clear to you about this fume extraction system. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.